Hello everybody, this is Myung. Hope you are all well. Last week I came up with an unusual rice noodle dish purely by happenstance. I soaked metal-fed peas for a couple of days and had to use them up, so I made them into mush peas. And as at the time I fancied rice noodles, so I put the two together. So it turned out really well. So today I'm going to show you what I did. Alright, let's start. I love mush peas, so when I make it, I always soak it at least one day. When it's longer, like 2 days, even better because it is easier to digest. I will quickly rinse and then soak it overnight. I usually put 2 or 3 times more water in there, so it will be well soaked. When I made last time, that was soaked for over 48 hours and that was really tender and sweet. This is nearly 30 hours now. So I will cook this slowly. When beans or peas are soaked longer, it's easier to digest. So that's what we should do, slow cooking. Soak it longer, like 2-3 days, and then cook slowly, then very easy to digest. I will cook this for over an hour, but if you can, just longer, 2-3 hours will be better. I will cook this with just sea salt. Now, noodle, rice noodle is always packed like portion like this. So I'm going to use 2 portions, and I will soak this in the water as well. So when it's soaked, at least half an hour, then you don't need to cook this that long. Just 2-3 minutes will be enough. Okay, so this is the filtered water, so make sure this is all submerged, yeah? Because I'm going to cook these vegetables, so I will use this kale, raw kale. I'm not going to cook this kale. So usually I marinate this with the doenjang sauce, which is Korean miso sauce, with some sesame seed oil and this apple cider vinegar and a little bit of liquid aminos. You can use any leftover vegetables for those noodles. I'm going to use fennel, some onion, red pepper, and the carrot, ginger and garlic, and some lemon for noodle. The rice noodle and lemon works very well, so I'm always using that. Let's cook this first. Pinch of sea salt. Okay, I'm going to cook it now. Ooh! See, this peas has a lot of bubbles. You have to be careful, yeah? Okay, carry on cooking. And I will prepare other stuff. I will preparing the dressing for the kale. The same story, just grate 2 cloves garlic. Especially when you grate, garlic smells or garlic aroma is not stay in your mouth, so it is will go soon. So even if it stay there, it will go soon. So very good. You can take a nice benefit of garlic. Raw garlic is very good. If you feel you are going to have a flu or virus, 1 clove of garlic grate like this and then mix with the raw honey and then take it, and that will kill germs better than medicine. Tablespoon doenjang. You can use a miso if you have a miso. Apple cider vinegar. Shake it first because mother is on the bottom. So I will use 2 tablespoons. Okay, then mix all together. Tablespoon sesame seed oil, and I will add some sesame seed as well. Okay, if you are going to use onion, you can add the onion instead of garlic, or you can use both. This is all washed and they tear them into bite size. So now I'm going to mix this with dressing. Okay, just you have to squeeze them. I love this kale. When I make this, tastes crunch and still lots of nutrition still there. But people think this might be chewy, but it is never chewy. You can add cranberries. Yeah, I will add some cranberries today. So I'm adding some cranberries. The cranberries are a bit hard at the moment, but will be absorb this oil then liquid from cider vinegar, so will be softer later. Okay, I will try. It's lovely. So preparing some vegetables. You know, you just use some colorful, make some color. And this is fennel. Smells lovely. You can eat this as a raw. Carrot. And some pepper. And knob of ginger. When you cook this ginger with the coconut oil, its aroma is really, really good. Especially when you had a chemotherapy, this will help to, recovery. Lots of ginger tea, make some grate ginger, and then either you can use hot water or just boil it, and then add some raw honey. That will be really nice tea. So ginger and garlic you should have all the time. This chili is only for me. My husband can't eat this hot stuff, so I will only eat it. When peas are almost cooked, then I will start this because it doesn't take that long. The peas are almost cooked. I will start cooking for the noodle. Bit of coconut oil. I'm going to cook this ginger first. Yeah, ginger and onion together. Then add all other vegetables. Add some sea salt. I will add a tiny bit of liquid aminos. Tastes very good too. A teaspoon turmeric. A teaspoon curry powder. Then now add some coconut milk. It's almost done, this one, so I will switch this off. Okay, it's done now. Okay, noodles and this mush peas and vegetables on top and some juice. Green vegetables on top. Okay, it's done. So before I try it, I will add some lemon. Lemon is essential for this noodles. And then mix and then eat it. Definitely you need a lemon, so don't forget lemon for rice noodle. Tastes really good. Mush peas enhance the flavor. Really good. And richness from coconut oil and milk, but it is not too rich because of breakdown with lemon and other vegetables and lots of ginger in it and garlic and some onion. So this is a super healthy food for especially this kind of weather, winter weather. Okay, it's okay.
Okay, thank you. That's lovely.
Yeah.
Kale salad with cranberries.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. That's lovely.
What is lovely?
Kale with the cranberries. I'll try the noodle in a moment. Slightly sweet.
So I think because of this mush peas,
Oh, it's nice with it.
mush pea enhance the flavor, I think.
An unusual combination, but very nice. But very effective.
You never eat mush pea with this noodle, huh?
No, I wasn't a thought of that. the mushy peas and noodle, but it works very well.
Yeah.
That cranberry in the kale, that's a really good idea.
Hope you enjoy my recipe and thanks for watching. And please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Be healthy and happy and see you next time. Bye.